Yes, well, the H-1B visa, that's a visa that's available for temporary workers who are professionals, and generally they're applying for a job that requires a bachelor's degree or higher, and they possess a bachelor's degree or higher. The problem recently has been that there's a quota that's available for H-1B visas, and the number of visas that are available each year has been going down, while the number of applicants has been going up. So this past year, in 2007, the situation was such that it was basically just one day that individuals could file H-1B work applications, and that was April 1st of 2007. If the filings were done any later than that, all the visa numbers were gone on the first day of filing, which was April 1st. The problem now is that the demand is so high for H-1B workers because of our growing economy that Congress has not set aside a sufficient number of visas for folks. And there was some recent immigration legislation that failed in the Congress, and part of that legislation would have given additional visa numbers for H-1Bs. As soon as that failed, one company in particular, Microsoft, indicated that they were going to open an office in Canada just on the other side of the U.S. border so that they could employ sufficient workers and have them close enough to their headquarters in the state of Washington so that they'd be able to take advantage of that foreign labor that they were not otherwise able to fill positions in the United States. Well, the situation right now, at least in the month of August of 2007, is that you cannot file for an H-1B right now, unless it's a worker who's already on H-1B and wants to transfer to a new employer. The situation right now, and we see this in our office almost every day, is there's employers that want to file for individuals, and unfortunately we have to tell them that it doesn't work that way anymore, and that the only day of the year when you can file is April 1st. So the next opportunity to file would be April 1st of 2008, April 1st of 2009, and only on that day. And if you file before or after that day, you probably won't be able to get the visa. Even if you file on April 1st, there's no guarantee that you'll be able to get the visa because there's only 65,000 that are allotted, and the government's receiving more than 65,000 on the first day of applications. Government officials have mentioned that at least for the April 1st, 2008 filing, that they may start some sort of lottery system where individuals can submit a lottery entry, and if they're selected, then on April 1st they'll be able to file their application. So there's no mad rush for everybody to file on April 1st. You'll know well in advance if you qualify. And hopefully at some point towards the end of 2007, the government will provide the details of this lottery process so individuals know when, where, and how they can file their applications for H-1B. The other possibility is that there is new pending legislation to add more H-1B numbers. So if some new legislation passes, then individuals could immediately begin filing for the H-1Bs again.